What's up guys, EasyAutoFix here, and today a customer called me because they failed the emissions test. The code that popped up is a P0455. That basically means there's a large EVAP leak in the system. So the most basic thing to check first is the gas cap being loose.
Nope, that'll do it. No gas cap.
So I got a new gas cap. Now since we fixed the issue, I'm gonna clear the code. Now I'm test driving it to see if the code will come back. In this case, it all went smooth. Now if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe because there's more coming.